everybody! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mari Yume, and in this video, I'm going to teach you the different kinds of Vtubing that people use. If you have been struggling trying to find information on this topic, then this video is perfect for you. As you continue to watch, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Vtubing tutorials and how-tos. Now let's get started. Okay, what exactly is a Vtuber? A Vtuber, otherwise known as a virtual YouTuber, is an online entertainer that makes YouTube content or live streams. They are usually represented by an animated avatar that is either generated with drawings by a program called Live2D or digitally animated in a 3D anime-inspired character. However, there are also PNG VTubers who have little to no animation for their avatar. Sometimes these are known as reactive PNGs. Reactive PNG is basically setting up a PNG of your character that has been drawn by either you or commissioned from an artist. You can set it up to react to your voice when you talk with your microphone. I feel like this requires the least number of resources to become a PNG streamer. This is because you don't really need to know any animation skills or even drawing skills if you end up commissioning the artwork from someone. So with this concept, you could get started with VTubing right away. This is perfect for people who have a concept art for their character, but they don't have the funds to commission the animator for their model just yet. It's also a great way to hype up the progress of your debut when you can finally afford to have an animated model. Okay, so 2D is more of the anime-like avatar that is fully rigged. These are drawn out and rigged, so usually you have to hire either an artist to make the parts and then a rigger, unless if you find some kind of person who can do both. What's unique about 2D avatars is that there are so many different art styles that can portray your character. You can even be a non-humanoid VTuber this way too. This can be rather costly because 2D avatars have all of their animation basically made by scratch. However, if you are new to VTubing and you have not really decided on your own unique character design yet, but you still want to give the 2D avatar style a try, then there are preset models that you can buy for relatively cheap, like the one I have here. You can find some websites that sell pre-made models specifically for live 2D models, like Nizima. I've seen some models on there go for as low as $3 and for as high as $4,000. They all have different styles and aesthetics, so make sure you take a look and see what kind of art style catches your eye. Also, if you can't read Japanese, that's simple. Just Google Translate the options, or if you're using Chrome, you can literally just right click on your mouse and just switch it to English. A 3D model is a model that is developed in a mathematical representation of a humanoid surface in a three-dimensional space. Now, I know that sounds really overwhelming, but basically it just means that you take a bunch of shapes and morph them into something that you want. That's all computer generalized. They are incredibly expressive and they can do a wide range of movements with the right technology and design. 3D is something that you can also either commission or make yourself depending on your 3D animation skills. But worry not, my non-animator friends. There is a free program called Vroid Studio that allows you to make a model without needing any animation or drawing skills. This is a great option for anyone who is looking to make a humanoid 3D model. Just like 2D models, there is also a website that you can go on to buy pre-made models called booth.pm. What's unique about Booth is that you can also find presets that are specifically meant for the Vroid Studio application, so that way you literally only need to just import things such as hair, clothes, or textures. It's as simple as just copying and pasting. You can also find fully animated preset models to purchase as well. The prices range from this site as well. There's a lot of free assets that you can download on there, and you can even leave the artist a donation for their hard efforts to provide you those free assets. And then there's also some things that you can just buy outright, and sometimes I've seen them range from anywhere of about $1, or it can go up to maybe 50 or a couple $100. You can also use Google Translate on the webpage if you're using Chrome, because the entire site's in Japanese, but it's really not that hard to navigate. They tagged the website incredibly well. These are the 3 different types of virtual streamers that you can become. You should honestly take some time to think about how you want to go into VTubing. Maybe you just want an animated version of yourself to spice up your streams or videos from time to time. Or maybe you have social anxiety and you don't really want to show your face, or you simply want privacy to protect your identity. Whatever your reasons are to become a VTuber, just know that there is a wonderful community out here that will welcome you with open arms, and that there are just so many endless options and possibilities of how to express yourself through an animated avatar. I hope you found this video to be informative. I wanted to go over some overall differences of the different styles of VTubing since I know it can be confusing. If you have any questions regarding VTubing that you would like me to cover in another video, please leave them down below and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you got to the very end, then I'm gonna let you know one more last thing. I believe you can do anything if you put your poggers to it. Bye!